Hello guys, how are you? I always have my go-to, which would be moisturizer and sunblock. That I always have to put that every morning. Kahit hindi ako mabababad sa araw, I still have to put my sunblock and moisturizing all throughout the day. Before training, after training, before going to sleep. It's very important to take care of your body. So just applying that every day will really make a big difference. Probably my injury, very unforgettable injury, which I'm actually still dealing with, but you know, it happens to every athlete. And we just have to get through it. We have to get stronger and just go through it and do your best every day.
Hey guys, let's give a big round for Kiana pala.
Because during season, we don't really have that time to spend with them. So the time that we have after season, I make sure to spend with my family or with Dwight. Yeah.
May name reveal na po.
Name reveal. With Julina, since we both came from injuries, we were out for a long time. So the first game, you would say, first game jitters. And we just remember that volleyball is not a solo sport. We're not alone. We're 6 in the court, and I mean with the coaching staff or other teammates. And also, we just remembered what we've been through, how hard we worked coming into that situation when we're inside the court already. And yeah, I guess it's that. It's just being coming back from injury. But other than that, we're gaining our confidence every day, getting stronger, and hopefully no more injuries coming into the next season. Fun is not waking up to an alarm. Not waking up to a 7 a.m. training and just like resting the whole day.